How many times have you said, I will start tomorrow? Yet the tomorrow never comes. If you keep waiting for motivation, your brain will literally rewire itself to overthink again and again. That's how you are shrinking your anterior cortex of your brain day by day. And it is the most important part of our brain to structure itself. What's that? We will proceed to this part later on the video. You can trick your brain and use AI as a personal coach to finally do things you don't want to do. How? Let's see. Procrastination isn't laziness, it's a battle in your brain. Neuroscience shows that when you avoid a task, your amygdala, the fear center, lights up. Your brain sees the task like a threat. Meanwhile, your anterior cortex, a brain region to associate with willpower and tenacity, similar to muscle that strengthen with use, it shrinks. But when you confront a situation that humbles you, it gets bigger. You can see in the podcast that Huberman and Goggins talking about it. I will put the link below down. You can watch it later. Every time you procrastinate, your brain strengthens the avoidance loop. That's how you spend your day without doing nothing. Your brain can be rewired, and here's how AI can fix your problem. You have your own personal assistant who never gets tired, never procrastinates, and always pushes you at the right moment. That's what AI can do it for you without complaining. Here's how. Instead of keeping tasks in your head, write them into AI tool like Notion AI. When you see your to-do list, keep it done and give a cross mark to the every activities you have done every time. Now it's doable and easy. Set up an AI reminder with playful or even sarcastic music. You can use Replica AI to do it for you. It's basically like an online productivity platform. Try it must. Ask Motion AI to schedule times into 25-minute focus block. Neuroscience calls this Pomodoro effect, where your brain stays focused because it sees the finish line. Use AI habit tracker like Habitica or Motion that turn your task into a game. Every time you complete something, your brain gets dopamine hit. The same way it does when you win in a video game. Ask ChatGPT to create a visual roadmap of your task. You will have a hard copy or a PDF version of your daily task. This tricks your brain into craving the process, not just the result. Suppose you need to study for your exam, you need a working list. Here you will give the prompt to ChatGPT to complete a specific task or target, add a timeline or checklist. But here's the twist. You can have all the AI tools in this world but still fail. Why? Let's see. Your brain loves dopamine, but procrastination hijacks with cheap rewards like scrolling, gaming, and binge watching Netflix. To fight back, you need to give your brain micro rewards. Every time you complete a task, reward yourself. Here's the hack. Start small. Tell yourself, I will just open the document. The moment you start, the dopamine kicks in. That's called the dopamine drip effect. Visualize the cost of delay. Imagine the pain of failing an exam, losing money, or missing an opportunity. It's called time discounting. In this scenario, fear is your fuel. Use it to take the first step. Remember, you have to take the pain now or pain later. One will hurt your ego and the other one will hurt your entire future. It's like a red and blue pill. Choose wisely. But here's the kicker. There's one single mindset that shifts separate lifelong procrastinators from high achievers. Once you adopt it, doing things you don't want to do will feel like natural. Procrastination isn't a life sentence. It is just a bad wiring in your brain. With AI as your coach, neuroscience as your guide, and your willingness to take the first step, you can finally do the thing you don't want to do. The pain of discipline is temporary, but the pain of regret lasts forever. Which one will you choose?